Greetings fam, if you're ready to step up your creative workshop with a powerful, enclosed laser cutter and engraver, this Creality Falcon2 Pro 60W desktop laser is one of those machines people keep talking about online. I've spent hours researching specs, performance tests, expert reviews, and real user impressions from makers around the web so you get an honest breakdown before you decide. If you're already intrigued, go ahead and click the link in bio to check the best price. Right out of the gate, one of the biggest things about the Falcon2 Pro is its 60W diode laser module, Class 1 safe inside the enclosure, which delivers strong cutting and engraving power for a desktop class machine. With that level of laser output, this unit can cut and engrave a wide range of materials: wood, acrylic, leather, stone, certain plastics, PETG, some polycarbonates depending on thickness, cardboard, fabric, and even light engraving on coated metals with the right settings. That's exactly why many hobbyists and small business creators choose higher watt lasers over low power hobby units. The enclosure design is a real bonus. Unlike open frame desktop lasers that spew smoke, dust, and fumes everywhere, this machine keeps everything contained behind protective doors and filters. Real users and reviewers consistently highlight that enclosed setups make a huge difference in indoor environments: less smell, easier air handling, and safer operation, especially around kids or pets. Another standout feature I found in research is the built-in smart camera. That's not just a marketing buzzword, it lets you preview and align your designs before hitting start, saving a ton of time that would otherwise go into trial and error. Many makers note that this kind of workflow preview is something that even many higher-end laser cutters lack, and it speeds up setup for complex jobs. Performance for engraving is also really solid. Wood grain detail, leather etching, and fine acrylic patterns come out crisp when the laser power and speed are dialed in properly. Community reviews emphasize that 60W of diode output is often enough not just for hobby projects but also for small business production, signs, custom gifts, awards, and decorative inlays. Of course, no machine is perfect. Even with strong specs, diode lasers don't have the same material flexibility as carbon dioxide lasers, especially when it comes to cutting thicker stone or non-laser friendly plastics. Also, heavier cutting tasks at full power generate smoke and heat, which means you'll want a dedicated ventilation setup and proper material safety precautions in place. Another honest point users mention online is that software workflow and driver setup can take a bit of trial and error for beginners. While the Falcon2 Pro includes compatible software and community tips online, getting the perfect settings for every material and thickness usually takes a few test runs, which is normal for any serious laser cutter, but worth knowing before you dive in. After researching this Creality Falcon2 Pro 60W laser engraver and cutter across specs, performance breakdowns, and real user feedback, I'd say it's worth buying if you want a powerful, enclosed desktop laser that's capable of both serious hobby work and light small business production. It's especially great for makers, signage creators, woodworkers, and anyone who wants cleaner, safer, more consistent cuts and engravings at home or in a workshop. Click the link below for the best price.